So the first step of normalization is to look at either your source document or your table that you get to ask to normalize. Now, if we look at this invoice, our first step always will be to just write down all the attributes of that source document. Okay, so you will have the following. That is all the attributes that we see on this invoice document. You don't have to give it a name yet. We're going to decide on the name just now. As you see the attributes listed there, this is actually zero normal form because there are still repeating groups. If you go and fill in data in this table, you will see that, for example, customer 1, John, specific address, is buying a chair. Customer 1, John, a certain address, is also buying a table. John, customer 1, specific address, is also buying a cupboard. All right, so the customer is repeating for every product that he is buying. Okay, so that is a repeating group. That is why this is still in zero normal form. The first step that we are going to do here is to identify candidate keys. All right, so we need to go and see which of these attributes can possibly be a candidate key. Now, I see here a customer number, so that might be a candidate key. I also see a product number, and I'm just realizing here that I forgot to put that on the source document. We will need an invoice number as well. Right, any invoice will have an invoice number. So that is also a candidate key. Right, do you agree? That is all the attributes that can serve as candidate keys. Okay. Now we have to go and look. Yes. A candidate key is a key that can possibly become a primary key. All right. Now, we have to go and look for step 1. Because I want to get this to first normal form. So we are trying to get rid of the repeating groups. And we get rid through the repeating groups by getting a primary key that will give us unique rows. It's a unique primary key for every row in the table. Now, we just look at the keys, at the primary or the candidate keys at this stage. Now, you ask yourself, can an invoice belong to many customers? No. Can a customer have many invoices? Yes. All right. That is a one-to-many relationship. Can an invoice have many products on it? So this is now this relationship here. Yes. Can a product appear on many invoices? Yes, right. The moment you see a many-to-many, that becomes your keys that you are going to underline. Okay, let's just quickly check. Can a customer belong to a product? That doesn't really make sense, that a customer can belong to, or the product can belong to a customer. Right, so that there is no real relationship between those two. Okay. The fact that we have underlined the keys now, and I am not going to underline that one, so that one is not underlined, makes this a first normal form relation. All right, because we have a unique combination of keys for every row in our table. Okay, so that is step 1, to go to first normal form. Identify the candidate keys, and then you look for a many-to-many relationship, and those keys are the ones that you underline. All right.